This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn different ways to remove duplicates in a data range in Excel. Removing duplicates in Excel is a prevalent task for people working on huge datasets. When you combine different tables or when many people have access to the same document, you might end up having repeated entries in your spreadsheet, thus making data redundant. The larger the dataset, the higher are the chances of encountering duplicate records. It can be problematic if they are not identified and handled correctly. Sometimes duplicate data is useful, sometimes it just makes it harder to understand your data. Use conditional formatting to find and highlight duplicate data. That way you can review the duplicates and decide if you want to remove them. Select the cells you want to check for duplicates, go to Home, click Conditional Formatting, and then highlight Cell Rules and choose Duplicate Values. To select duplicates easily, you can use filter options. For example, I select San Diego and Dallas as duplicates. After filtering, you can remove one of them. Another way to remove repetitive values is using Remove Duplicates button. For this, select the range of cells containing duplicate values that should be removed. Go to Data tab and Data Tools section and click Remove Duplicates. To expand your selection to other columns, you should check Expand the Selection. A dialog box appears and you can select the columns you want to compare and check for duplicate data. In case your data consists of column headers, select the My Data as Headers option and then click OK. If you want to remove duplicates only in the current column that you have selected, you should choose Continue with Current Selection. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.